Our hero Australian brother, Reece Harding, was in solidarity with the Kurdish people in Rojava. He martyred for humanity because he rejected the brutality and killing that the ISIS are committing against the Kurdish people, especially Yazidis, Assyrians, Armenians, Christians, women, children, and all other living things that don't like their black flag. Reece joined the YPG Kurdish forces nearly 2 months ago and martyred on the 27th of June 2015. His quick death is a message to the NATO and United Nations silence about ISIS crime. Also, it is a message for those countries supporting ISIS criminal activity and still a member of NATO. Our Australian brother Reece Harding joined the YPG Kurdish forces to break out the whole world's silence on ISIS, because he knew the silence about ISIS is participation in the ISIS criminal activity. May God bless Reece Harding, his family, and the Australian people for their sacrifice. Rest in peace, brave warrior. There are no words that can value your sacrifice and humanity. You will never be forgotten. Kurds in Rojava will build you and Ashley Johnston a resistance statue in Kobani, not too far from the Australian Anzacs at Gallipoli.